Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can post your videos on CapCut. So let me inform you that to upload any post or video or template, you must have to be a template creator. And for that, you have to edit regularly and the agency or customer service or CapCut will able to identify user template creator. So after being template creator, there will be a button after exporting a video. So just below the share button. So let me show you where you will be able to upload your videos on CapCut. So just tap on top right corner of export option and tap on export. I'm not a template creator right now. That's why there is no option of upload button here. But when you regularly edit video and upload them directly to any social media platform like TikTok or Facebook or Instagram, then you will be like a template creator. So when the agency or customer service or CapCut will identify you as a template creator, then they will allow an upload option for you. Then you can directly upload your videos to CapCut after exporting. So that's all for you guys. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.